and you have a leaf. But what happens if we want to create this same leaf in action? So let's take this line and make it look like that. So now we need to create the edge of our leaf. And then what would happen is this area would go away, and this area would go away. So now you have a leaf that looks like that, and it looks like it's curling. But that's not the only way. What happens if we have a leaf that is starting to fall, but it's not quite there? So it might look like that. It looks more flat than this one. So 3 different ways of doing leaves. Now let's add a little bit of shading. So since this one is got this curved up, we're going to add in a little shading here. Your shading starts in the center because this is the area that's curled. And then you add in a little bit of shading here. Not a lot. This one, because it's turning, same thing. Add a little bit of shading here. And then come back in here and add a few spots of shading along the edge. Like that it's wrinkled on the edge. So, simple little drawing today.